Hi beavers, hi monkeys. Today we're going to be reviewing our writing goals so you can write your awesome stories and becoming great authors. So let's start with our writing goals. Our first goal is I can use capital and lowercase letters correctly. Remember, when we're writing sentences, we write the first letter or the first sound always capital, and the rest of our words are in small caps or lower cases. So here, it's in the beginning is capital, it's correct, but in the middle is the h is capital, the a is capital, and the n and the r is capital. No, we cannot do that in the middle of our sentence. This one is a star because the cat ran. In the beginning it's capital and the rest are in lowercase. Super. I know you already knew that. Our second goal is I can use correct finger spaces. Remember, between words, there are finger spaces. So our sight word, then finger space, cat, then finger space, ran. So between our words, there are always finger spaces. Super. Our next goal is I can spell words how they sound. So when we write, do you remember we say the word out loud and then we hear the sound and we write it. Like here, kid, K-I-D, kid. Spelling it's a sight word, so we write it correctly. Awesome. And then we end our sentence with our exclamation mark because it is awesome and surprising. Very well. Like I told you, I can spell the sight words I know correctly. You all know you have a lot of sight words, so we always spell our sight words correctly. You have them in your notebooks, you have them in our presentations. I know you know them very well, so I expect you guys to write them correctly. Super. I can end a sentence using punctuation. Punctuation are like what? Exclamation mark, a question mark, or a full stop. Exclamation mark, remember when we say something wow or surprising. Question mark if you're asking a question, like where are you going? And then a full stop if you're just saying a sentence like the cat ran. And then you end your sentence with a full stop. Super. In your stories, you always have a beginning, a middle, and an end. Like the Three Little Pigs. You always have a beginning, a middle, and an end. Super. And then when you write your story, what are you going to have? Pictures, like great illustrators. The great illustrators, they draw pictures to match the words that they're writing. My pictures are detailed and tell a story. So if you're writing about your superhero, if you're writing about the genie, or you're writing about a great day, all the pictures have to match the words that you're writing. So if you are writing about a great superhero, don't just draw something that is not matching it. You need to draw something matching your words. I know you knew that already. My work is neat and readable. So how will I read your work and your great stories? You have to have finger space, and it's not scribbling. If you need to use a pencil so you can erase, all the words are written properly and neatly between the lines, and this is a hand space, this is not a finger space. So it's like here the star, there is finger space, there is lowercase letters in the middle of the words, and then there is in the end what? A full stop. I know you guys can do an awesome job. I cannot wait to read your stories, and I'm super proud of you.